Welcome to Ajmera School ICSE, where we believe together we can and we will make a difference. Ajmera School ICSE, also known as ASICSE, prides itself on the quality of its educational programs, the professionalism of its staff, the enthusiasm of its students, and the high level of support provided by the parent community. We focus on inculcating discipline and independence in our students. ASICSE is a place committed to building the necessary knowledge and competencies for students to thrive and succeed in learning and life. ASICSE belongs to the eminent Ajmera family who are into the realty and infrastructure business for more than 50 years now. A leader is one who lights the path to the impossible and takes those who follow to great heights. Our head of schools, Ms. Hima Doshi, is the wind beneath our wings, a pillar of strength and a source of constant motivation. Her virtues are not only known to us, but the entire education fraternity, which has bestowed some prestigious awards to her name. Inspirational Leader Award by Star Group and BBC. National Education Award for Innovation in Teaching Methodology by ABP National Education Awards. The very recent Best Principal Award by Promoting Achievers Foundation, Delhi. Our school is also the proud recipient of the Ayaksh Award for the most hygienic school among 75 schools in Mumbai. Ms. Sweetal Prashant Bangale is a principal right from the year of inception, that is 2015. She believes it is a responsibility to educate and inspire and to encourage every pupil to flourish in mind, body and spirit. Our academic year 2022-23 is as follows: pre-primary, nursery to senior KG and grades 1 to 7. We have our schedule from Monday to Friday, that is 5 days, and our academic year is from June to mid-April. Our school timings are pre-primary, that is nursery, junior and senior KG, 8:30 am to 12 noon, and grades 1 to 7, 8:30 am to 3 pm. ASICSE follows a curriculum that takes into account the 5 key elements of growth, namely social, emotional, physical, cognitive and moral or spiritual development, leading to the holistic or overall development of a child. We believe it is a privilege to be entrusted by parents with the task of providing their child with the essential foundation for their education, their foundation for life. We promise a great infrastructure for our students to ensure their overall development and happy schooling experience. Allow me to take you for a virtual tour to explore our learning spaces. Every morning, we welcome students with a warm smile through our school gate. Security personnel ensure the safety of our students by checking parents' ID cards before entering the school premises. No one is permitted in the school without a valid ID. Children have fun playing in this very colorful play area, which we have ensured is extremely safe with rubber flooring to minimize the impact of a fall. Children are always accompanied with their teachers and support staff in this area. Just besides the play area is a multi-purpose court, and as the name suggests, it is used for a variety of sports activities, PE sessions and play. Our buses are parked in this parking area. We have a great team of bus in charge, bus drivers and cleaners handling the transport department. They ensure a safe journey for your child. We compulsorily have a lady attendant on the bus to ensure the safety of ASIs. In the heart of our school building, we have a huge atrium which is used for various activities and indoor games in the monsoon season. It is also a perfect place for events and celebrations like annual days, Independence Day, etc. Life skill of swimming is taught in our own swimming pool. There are separate changing rooms for girls and boys. To ensure hygiene, we have given the contract of cleaning to a company. All the safety equipments are in place. Children are never left unattended near the pool. We do have a lifeguard. Children are trained by the swimming coach in the presence of the teachers and support staff. Health is a state of body and wellness a state of being. In keeping with this view, we have a wellness clinic where we have a full-time nurse who gives first aid to children. Children can rest in the comfortable beds until they are either ready to join the class again or be picked by their parents. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body. We provide healthy vegetarian food which is cooked in our own cafeteria by a team of Maharaj and cooks. Primary gets 2 meals, that is breakfast and lunch, but they can also carry food from home, so this is optional. For pre-primary, breakfast is provided by the school and is compulsory. Ours is a Swaminarayan school and we do not allow non-vegetarian food. This is our first floor. Our classrooms are huge, airy and well illuminated with age-level furniture and all the requirements necessary for learning. Students with difficulties in learning are helped by a counselor in the counselor's cabin. Books are a uniquely portable magic, said Stephen King. Languages form the basis of the ICSE curriculum. Thereby, reading becomes an important part. Students make use of the library for pleasure reading and research. Library is stacked with books of a variety of genre, thus giving students a scope to explore and imagine. We continue adding on to our resources in the library every year. We have also incorporated a reading program called the Sunday System, where children learn reading and pronunciation in English. Our teachers are guided and supported by the specialists who have got trained from the US. Bundles of information that come to us through our senses and mainly through seeing and hearing helps bring virtual imaging to reality. In our audiovisual room on the 3rd floor, we strive to give children experiences which are as good as real. Shakespeare said, "When words fail, music speaks." Children break from their routine to train their vocal cords amidst musical instruments in the music room and are trained by our specialists. At Ajmera School ICSE, we believe in holistic development. Let's not forget Modi ji's dream of Digital India. Students of the primary section develop their computing skills in the ICT lab, where each child works on his or her own computer for practicals. We are blessed to have a BMC playground which we can use as and when we require. We mostly use it for sports. Hope this video has given you enough impetus into our infrastructure. Thank you for watching.